Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to send or receive Robux from your friends in Roblox mobile. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, open any web browser in your mobile and then open Roblox app and then click on continue on browser. After this, sign into your account and then here you'll see a create button. Just click on this and then open the side menu and click on creations. Then here you'll see an experience. Just select the default experience and open the side menu again and scroll down a bit till you find passes. Click on this and then click on create a pass. After this, just give any name to your pass and then click on create pass. After this, select your pass again and then go over to sales and then type the price you want to send or receive to your friend. Once you do that, make sure you uncheck the enable regional pricing and then click on save changes. After that, what you have to do is, if you want to receive Robux from your friends, so what you have to do is just tell your friend that I made a game pass, and what you have to do is you just have to send the pass to him and he will buy it from you and you will receive 75% of the amount you just entered. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.